Muscle organ.
Say loudly.
Muscle organ.
Yes. Cardiac muscles are there. In the heart, cardiac muscles are present. చూసి ఎంత స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉందో. ఎస్ పట్టుకో.
అరే అన్ని రెస్ట్ తీసుకుంటాయి. హార్ట్ రెస్ట్ తీసుకుంటే ఏమైందిరా? అది.
ఎస్. వెయిట్. Now, these are the valves, Nana. Are you observe this one? These are the valves. Thread-like structures are there, Namma? These thread-like structures only valves. Okay, are you observe? These thread-like structures are called valves. Okay, these are valves. Now I am cutting the valves also. Now. Or observe this one. Okay. This is left side. This is about the right side. Like that. Okay. And observe that one. Or you observe the straw?
Yes.
Like that. Okay. Hold it. This is about that our vein. In this vein, the cholesterol is filling. Then what happened? The diameter of this pipe will be closed. Then proper transportation is not occurs and it causing the heart attack. This is a link. Straw is there, Nama? Link. It's coming. Okay. It is linked with our arteries. Okay, left side of the arteries. Now one more also there. Now also the blood is bleeding. Keep it up. Wait, there is a blade.
ఎక్కువైపోయింది. కొలెస్ట్రాల్ ఎక్కువైపోయిందిరా.
ఒక సైడ్ నుంచి టెస్ట్.
One more, sir. Hey, take care. It is very sharp.
కొలెస్ట్రాల్ ఆ వైట్ మొత్తం కొలెస్ట్రాల్ లేదా?
All of you observe the cholesterol. How is this cholesterol? This is about the cholesterol. Observe that one. Yes, girls, can observe. This is about the cholesterol.
మనకు కూడా అట్లా ఏర్పడుతుంది. కొవ్వు ఎక్కితే పైకి పోతాం అట్లా.
Are you observing? Then the muscles are completely closed with our cholesterol. Okay, completely covered the heart. Half of the heart is already covered by the cholesterol only. Then these valves are completely closed, isn't it? These valves are completely closed with that cholesterol. Then the proper transportation is not occurs. Then the person will be die because of excess amount of the cholesterol formed in our blood. Now it will be clearly visible, sir. Sir, it is clearly visible.
రైట్.
Completely covered the cholesterol, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
All of you observe?
చూడండి వైట్ ఉంది కదా ఇది ఇది కొలెస్ట్రాల్. ఆ కొలెస్ట్రాల్ మొత్తం హోల్ మూవ్ చేసుకోవాలి.
రైట్ అర్థమవుతున్నారా? ఇగో ఇది యాక్చువల్గా ఇదేంది, ఆర్ అబ్జర్వింగ్ అమ్మా, ఈజ్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఫిల్డ్ ద కొలెస్ట్రాల్, క్లోజింగ్ the pipe. So proper transportation, blood circulation is not occurs, then it leads to the heart attack. It's a very now I am opening that valve only. Okay, just press this one, it will be, how is that, oil. Okay, you feel that only oil. Now I will remove the systemic trunk, main systemic trunk, keep it on. These are one more chamber. Okay, now I am opening left side chambers.
లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ టైంలో ఏముంటారా, యాక్సిడెంటా డియాక్సిడెంటా?
Okay, now I am opening the left side chambers. Okay, isn't it? This is about the, what is this amma? Wall. These wall always moving like that. Are you observing? Okay, already. Okay, this is only heart beating, cardiac cycle, isn't it? Okay, right.
మనకు అది
Okay, linking to the left chambers. All of you understand? అర్థమవుతున్నారా? Like that. Okay, now I am showing upper chambers, auricles. Three, which one and pulmonary artery and superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Three are open, isn't it? Now I will show one more where it is. Okay, up kara. It is completely filled by the cholesterol, that's why it's straw also not entered. Okay amma, this is the one more straw is, yes, one more. And one more.
here.
Okay, right, these are the main arteries, veins are arises from that our heart. Okay Nana, this is about that dissection of the heart. These are the two chambers, these are the two chambers, these are left side, these are right side. The upper chambers, okay, above the walls are there na, these part are called auricles. The lower part, how is that? The triangle shape is there na,
Yes.
these called ventricle.
Ventricles.
Okay, and in these one, these all are, observe that one, it is a clearly visible. These are called valves. ఈ మంచిగా పడుతుంది చూడండి ఇక్కడ. Are observing net like structure is there na?
Yes, sir.
This is about the wall. Okay, yes, okay, right. If the wall also failed, wall also filled by the cholesterol, the pumping is not occurring proper way and it leads to also heart attack. Okay, this is about that our heart dissection today. Okay, one more is there, one more straw.